Hello everyone. First we are going to divide our hair into two, taking one side and then start making this beautiful braid by adding these bow rubber bands, and now we are going to make two ponytails at the end. Next we're going to take a high ponytail, separating it into three parts, adding rubber bands into each. Then we are going to bind them together like this and making this beautiful round shaped bun. Now you can add any kind of clip as per your choice. Next we are going to take a high ponytail, then we are going to divide it first into two, then taking the second part and further dividing it into two and passing it through the first one like this, and then adding these beautiful rubber bands and your braid is completed. Next we're going to take a high ponytail and taking two braids, then joining the two braids with the pony, then taking the ponytail and dividing it into three parts and making this braid. For the folding the braid and making this beautiful bun and adding this white clutcher on the bun. Next we are going to section our hair into two, and then first making a braid at one side, taking some hair, then we're going to take some more hair like this, joining them with the braid and then folding them once like this. Then we're going to take all of the hair from that side, making a braid and folding it into half. Next we're going to take a ponytail at one side and then taking 4 mini ponytails at the other like this. Then we are going to use these colorful threads, wrapping them over our pony and making the braid, joining these ponies to the braid, and then it is ready. Next we're going to take some hair, making a pony and a braid together. Then we are going to section our ponytail and adding a rubber band and making this beautiful bow with that. And then you can just add any kind of accessories as per your choice. And now you can see your beautiful hairstyle is completed. Next we're going to take 5 ponies, 2 at each side and 1 at the top, taking the top one and then making the simple braid. After that we are going to make braids from the side ones also, joining them together to the bottom, and now you can see it is ready. Next we are going to take 2 braids at each side, and then we are going to grab some more hair from one side, then adding these beautiful bow rubber bands, joining them with the braid, then making 2 ponytails at each side like this, and it is ready. Next we are going to take a high ponytail and then adding this pink ribbon. Along with that we are going to use the hair and this ribbon and making 2 braids, and now your hairstyle is completed. Next we are going to take 2 ponytails, leaving some hair untied and taking that hair, making 3 ponies with that, joining them to the ponies at the side. Then we're going to convert the ponies into simple round shape bun and adding these beautiful flower clutchers, and now you can see your hairstyle is completed.